guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about the new Colourpop and Mulan collection. This is based off of the new live action movie. I wasn't sure if they were still gonna release this because the movie got held back since everything's going on and everything. So as of right now, from what I heard, I texted my friend earlier, just like was like, is this still happening? She's like, yes, we're still planning on launching it. So everything right here, and I have a little PR box. I'm not sure if they're selling this, but they might, so I'm gonna show it anyway. And if they're not, I'll let you guys know. But if they do end up releasing it, I'll put like that in the description box. But anyway, this is a little card. It's super cute. It says a collab like this, it doesn't come around every dynasty. The PR box looks like it's so cute. You open it up and it just looks like this. I'm trying to open this up. It's pretty big. So this is what it looks like opened up. And they also sent this really cute like little fan with it as well. I love that. It says Mulan and Colourpop on it. And I've been wanting one of these to like dry my face when I like said it was setting spray and stuff. So I'm really happy. I don't know if they're selling this, but it's really cute. Let me get into it. I believe that this is launching on March 19th, but if that changes, I will let you know in the description box down below, along with pricing and everything. I did see something online, but I'd rather just put it in the description box just in case if anything changes, I can edit it down there. I do have a code with Colourpop. It's just KATRINA. I'm not sure if it'll work on this collection, but you guys can try it. It's just KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off. Let's get into it. So the first thing that we have is the Milan palette, and this is the box and it just says Milan on it. I will show close-ups and swatches and everything as usual. This is a 15 pan palette. Packaging on the palette looks the same as the box, and you open it up and this is what it looks like inside. On the card it says a fierce, warm gold and red palette inspired by the legendary Mulan with a mix of matte, metallic, and foiled shadow finishes. Create looks fit for a warrior. I'm really glad that they did add some reds and golds in here. That way it's pretty true to like the packaging and everything. It kind of goes along with that, and I feel like if they didn't put a red in here, I would have been a little upset. Next thing we have is the Honor to Us All Lux Lip Trio. This is the little lip trio right here. I believe they're also selling these individually as well. I don't think just in a lip trio, but don't quote me on that. I'm not exactly sure. I'm just saying that because I did see pictures online of like the trio, but I also have like the individual packaging here, so I'm assuming that they're also selling it individually. And this is what the individual packaging looks like. In the trio we have Lux liquid lipstick, a Lux gloss, and a just regular Lux lipstick, just like the bullet ones. So this is what the boxes for that look like, and it has Milan on the liquid lipstick. The gloss has just like this little design on it, and then on the regular lipstick one we have some writing right here and then Milan on the side. This is what the actual products look like. It has a really pretty red and gold packaging on the lids, and the actual bullet lipstick has some like really pretty packaging as well. It has her little flower on there. It says that the Lux lipstick is a soft rosy pink. The Lux gloss is a mystical peachy gold gloss. It also has some like pink and gold glitter throughout it. And then the Lux liquid lipstick is a bold true red. Next thing we have are the pressed powder blushes, 2 of them. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. Again, it kind of just goes, they all kind of look the same, like the boxes and stuff. The actual component is just like the little like cardboard packaging, and it has Milan on it, and both of them have the same design on it, so they're not different. Actually, are they different? Okay, they're a little different. I thought they were the same, but they're a little different, but yeah. So we have Matchmaker, which is like a really pretty nude blush, and we have Good Luck Charm, which is more of like a almost like a little bit more of a darker nude blush, and it has some gold glitter throughout it. On the card it says that these are pearlized blushes, so they do have like a little bit of a sheen to it, but I did notice with Good Luck Charm it did have more glitter in that one than the other one. So last but not least we have Brave Face Milk and Lip Mask Bundle. That's what these two look like right here. The gold lip mask has a really pretty packaging with her little hair clip thing in it. And yeah, that's what they look like. As warriors can have good skin too. This new Jasmine Face Milk is formulated with jasmine flower to calm and quench your skin for a hydrated, healthy look. And the new gold lip mask nourishes and softens the lips with shea butter and squalene. Is it squalene or squalene? I never know. Squalene, and features a soft gold shimmer for a healthy looking shine. That's everything in this collection. Like I said, I will list all the info, launch dates, pricing, all that good stuff in the description box down below. Look that I came up with today using the collection. I did use everything. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my thoughts on this collection as well, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with Fighter, which is the shade up here. I'm gonna take that in my crease. That color down. I'm gonna go in to Strength, which is the shade right here. It's like a darker, like rusty, terracotta-y brown. One of those nice browns to have. Just putting that in my crease as well. I a little bit in the outer corner, and then like whatever's left, I'll bring that into the crease. Just so most of the product is in the outer corner. I take a little bit of Fighter as well, just to go over those edges, to make sure everything's like nice and seamless. I actually really like that brown shade, Strength. It's like a really nice color just to like throw on in the crease. So I'm just taking a little bit more of that, mainly focusing this on the outer part. So now that I have those shades down, I'm gonna go into Guiding Spirit, which is this shade right here. It's like a little bit of a darker version of the shade we just used. A little bit of that, and I'm gonna start this on the like lower part of the outer corner. I've just been doing this recently, and I just really like how it makes my eyeshadow look. Like, it just makes it look a lot more smoky. So I kind of start at the lash line, not super precise, but I start from there, and then I will drag it up into the outer corner a little bit, but I like to just focus it on the outer, just kind of like in this area. Just like really keeping it closer to the lash line, more so than like up in the outer corner. I go back with Strength to blend out the edge of that. Just kind of blend it in together. This looks like a lot more smoky, but it's still like really subtle, and it's not like a lot, you know? If you want it more precise, you could take like a little smaller brush, but I just take like a brush this size and it's fine. For the lid, some metallics in here that are really pretty. Ooh, that color is really pretty. That's Like a Girl. Really, really nice. Warrior is kind of like one of those blue-brown shift eyeshadows. I might want to use that. And there's also Loyal, which is like a really pretty metallic red, which I love. And then there's like Undefeated. There's so many different lid options in this palette, so it's kind of like, I don't know what to use. I'm gonna go in with Warrior, which is like that blue-brown, just because I feel like it'll blend in nicely on like to the outer corner. So I'm gonna take that on the center, like right here. Since it does have that like brown shift to it, it blends in nicely with the outer corner. I'm not gonna wet this because I don't feel like I necessarily need to, and I feel like it's going on really nicely on its own. So yeah, I like that. Like the little small fluffy brush that we used Guiding Spirit with, to kind of just blend the edges out of that so it blends in nicely to the outer corner. Inner half of the lid, I'm gonna go in with Like a Girl, is this shade right here. The Warrior was this one right here. I'm just gonna take one of the Huda Beauty brushes. This is the one with like a little sponge applicator. So I feel like those pick up those kind of like metallic foiled shadows really nicely. So I'm gonna take that on the inner half. Ooh, that is so pretty. That is really pretty. I've really been loving this like foiled formula from Colourpop in their palettes. It's just so nice. I literally love that so much. I'm gonna take a little bit of Warrior on that brush again to blend that into it, just so everything is nice and seamless. Take a little bit more of Guiding Spirit and just take a little bit more of that on the outer corner. And I'm gonna take a little bit into the crease just because I want some more definition there. So I'm not taking like the product again. I'm really just taking like whatever's left on the brush and just dragging that into the crease. I really want to take Loyal. I don't know why, but it's like the middle like reddish coppery shade. I'm gonna just take that kind of like over the shade that we put down, Warrior. just because it has some like red sparkle in it, and I think it's really pretty. Why not? Went ahead and just finished up this eye. I really like putting that Loyal shade in the center. I just think it adds a little bit more something. It has some like red and glitter in it, so I really like that one. But the original Warrior shade was really nice too, but I just want something to pop a little bit more. And then I also forgot to put this on earlier. I actually put on my coconut one, but I'll put this one on too. This is the Jasmine Face Milk. I don't think, do they have a Jasmine one already? I don't even remember. Ooh, it smells really good. Put some on a little bit, and there's also a lip mask too. This one isn't too scented. I don't really smell, like I smell a little something, but it's not anything too crazy. This is the lip mask. It's a gold lip mask. They don't have a lip mask yet, so let's see. Take some of my lip balm off. It has a scent, but I can't put my finger on what the scent is, but that's what it looks like. It's just gold. It says it's infused with shea butter and squalene. Is it squalene or squalene? I never know. I'm gonna take a little bit because you guys know my lips are super sensitive, so it does add some like gold shimmer. I don't really like the scent that much. The scent is not my favorite, but it feels really nice. I don't know. I don't use a lot of lip masks because my lips are so sensitive and I'm like allergic to everything. So I don't really know like what the Tatcha like lip mask or anything or like the Bite one feels like. But this one feels nice and like shea buttery, I guess. I don't know. And it does add like a nice little gold sheen to your lips, which is cool. I'm not noticing like any like tingling or anything, so that's good. I guess, am I? I feel like once I said that, my lips started to like tingle. And trust me, like most of the lip products, it's never the lip product's fault. It's usually my fault. I'm allergic to everything. So it feels nice. I am going to take it off though, just because I am scared, but I wanted to show you guys like what it looked like on. It does have like a nice little gold sheen to it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my foundation and stuff, and then we'll come back and use the rest of the products. Really, I can't tell if it's pouring outside or if that's the wind. And if that's the wind, that's scary. But yeah, so I just went ahead and applied foundation and bronzer. I'm actually using the Fenty Hydrating foundation today. I don't really use this one that often just because I like more of like a matte finish, but it looks really nice today. I'm wearing a lot of hydrating products, so hopefully my face doesn't like start to melt. But my face is really dry right now. So anyways, for the blushes, we have Matchmaker and Good Luck Charm. Matchmaker is like a more light nude-ish color. Good Luck Charm is a little bit darker and it has some shimmer in it. Picking Good Luck Charm, the one with a little bit more shimmer in it. Okay, it's not too dark. I'm going really lightly with it though, just because it has some shimmer in it, and I like a blush with shimmer. I would say it has more glitter than shimmer though, like too chunky of glitter, you know? It's just like I can see glitter, but it's not too bad. It's like really, really fine. I actually like this color. Looks nice. Completely forgot about the lower lash line. I'll just do that right now. I'm probably just gonna take the same shades that I took on the top. I'm gonna start with Strength, which was this shade over here. Put that on the lower lash line. Kind of connect that to the outer edge over here. Take Good Guiding Spirit, which was the darker shade, and just put that on the outer corner. I'm gonna take True, which is this shade down here. I'm gonna take this right at the outer corner on the top again, just to add a little bit more smokiness. It almost looks black, but it's not black. Smoky, but you don't want to use black. I feel like this is actually a really good shade for that. Putting that like right at the lash line on top, and I'm gonna take a little bit, whatever was left on the brush, on the lower lash line. It's on like the outer edge of it, like really close and tight to the lash line. The inner corner, I'm going to take Strike a Match, which is this shade right here. Popping that. I love a bright inner corner. A bright inner corner makes me so happy. A lot of people don't like a bright inner corner, but I love it. I need to finish my face. I need to contour my nose. I feel like when I don't have my nose contoured, I look so weird. Go ahead and apply lashes, finish up my makeup, and then we will do the lips. So lashes are on, and so is my nose contour finally. I have three lip products. So it's a lipstick, a Lux liquid lipstick, and a Lux gloss. The regular lipstick is a like nude Lux, what is it called? Lux liquid lip. This one is a red, and then this is a gloss. This gloss is really pretty. I love this. This reminds me of the Drippin' gloss that Shayla came out with, which is like one of my favorite glosses. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick. This is the shade Mulan. Such a pretty nude, like right up my alley, so I'm really happy about that. And this is a cream, so it's not a matte lipstick. This is so pretty. This is like the perfect everyday lipstick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the gloss. I'm actually gonna apply it with my finger because I don't want to ruin the wand. Oh my god, this thing is like shut. Oh my god, I love this gloss. Wow, this actually might be like one of my favorite glosses. There's just something about the glosses that have like a pink and gold glitter throughout it that is just like my absolute favorite. I love that in a gloss. Like glosses that have like this like slight gold sheen to it and have like that gold and pink reflect throughout it, like the glitter is just, it just does something to me. I love this, and I love the Lux gloss formula, so I'm really happy with that. I love this lip combo. It is so pretty. So this is the final look. Love this look. I think it came out so pretty. I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So overall, I think the collection is really, really nice, and I feel like a lot of people will gravitate towards it because everything is super neutral and like very wearable. I saw a lot of people saying that this actually looks really similar to the Tati Beauty palette. I don't have that palette, so I can't like compare it, but it does give me that same kind of vibe, and this is like a lot cheaper than Tati's palette as well. So if you like those shades that were in Tati's palette but didn't want to pick it up, because it is $50, I think, pretty good dupe for it. It's not exact, and it's not the exact layout and stuff, but I feel like it does kind of give that vibe. And I really liked all the colors in here. The foiled shadows that Colourpop have been doing have been so good. Like, they're incredible. I love them so much. They need to keep doing that formula forever because they are so beautiful. The mattes in here blended out really nicely. I like the color selection. I feel like this palette is really good for literally everyone. Like, it's just one of those really good everyday palettes. I think it's really pretty, and I could definitely see myself reaching for this a lot. Blushes, I actually liked the one that I used a lot, the Good Luck Charm. It wasn't too dark. I thought it was gonna be a little darker, but it actually looks really pretty. It kind of gives like this like warm terracotta-y look to the cheeks. It does have a little bit of glitter in it, so just keep that in mind. It's not super noticeable. Like, I can't see it from afar, but if I look up closely, I can see a little bit of glitter. It's pretty fine, but it is like a little glittery. And then Matchmaker is just more of like a nude blush. That's not really like up my alley. I don't really like these kind of blushes, but I know a lot of people that do like that like really nude, neutral kind of like not really there blush. I like my blush to like look bright and like it is there. I love blush, so those ones aren't like necessarily my favorite, but I do think they're really pretty, and the packaging on them is really nice as well. The face milks, I love the face milks, so I always recommend them. I think they're really good. That lip mask, I'm not too sure. I didn't have it on for too long just because I do have sensitive lips, and I didn't want to risk like my lips getting swollen because of it, but it did feel nice. If you're not super sensitive to lip products, I'm sure you'll be fine. It did feel really nice and hydrating, and it did leave that like nice little gold sheen to it, which I think is nice and adds a little something to it. It's not just like a regular lip mask. It does look like it has a little gold flecks in it, so it does kind of look a little expensive. The little lip trio, I love it. I think this might be my favorite thing in the collection. I just absolutely love the gloss so much. I love this color gloss. I buy a lot of glosses that look like this too, that kind of have that gold sheen to it, but it has like that pink reflect. Love glosses like that. So the gloss is my absolute favorite thing in the collection. I also really love this lip color too. I think this is a really nice universal everyday lip color. I didn't try on the Lux Liquid Lip today, but I have tried the formula. I do like the formula a lot. And I'm sure that this one is just as nice. Overall, I think it's a really nice collection. I think, like I said earlier, I feel like a lot of people will gravitate towards it because it is super wearable. It is more on the neutral scale, but it's not like a basic like brown neutral palette or anything like that. Like, it does have some reds, which I love. Definitely see myself using the palette a lot. I really love the eye look that I came up with today. Leave me a comment down below of your thoughts on this collection. Are you guys gonna pick it up? Are you not? What did you think of it? So yeah, I just want to hear you guys' thoughts on it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.